Do you want to do it how we did like the last one? Hey traders, today we're going to be talking about the Accelerator Oscillator. The Accelerator Oscillator is very similar to the Awesome Oscillator, which we've previously discussed, for two main reasons. The first of these reasons is it was developed by Bill Williams not long after the Awesome Oscillator to be used in his commodities trading. The second reason that these indicators are so similar is that the Accelerator Oscillator actually uses the Awesome Oscillator as the main part of its calculation. Since the Awesome Oscillator is used in the calculation for the Accelerator Oscillator, you'll notice a few of the similarities between the two. Mainly the fact that the Accelerator Oscillator will use the same 5 and 34 fast and slowing period that the Awesome Oscillator used, set up by the defaults by Bill Williams. The only difference you'll really notice in that Accelerator Oscillator is what's called the forming period. That forming period is the moving average period of what we'll be taking from the Awesome Oscillator. So the calculation as a whole for the Accelerator Oscillator is your Awesome Oscillator minus your forming period moving average of the Awesome Oscillator. One thing to keep in mind with the Accelerator Oscillator is it's showing you exactly what the name says it's showing you. It's showing you the acceleration in the market. The Accelerator Oscillator based mainly around a zero line on the graph, and anything above that zero line is showing you the acceleration in the market in the bullish direction, and anything below that zero line is showing you the acceleration in the market in the bearish direction. Same thing goes for the bearish side of the market. Just because we're below the zero line on the Accelerator Oscillator and we're heading up towards that zero line doesn't necessarily mean that we're going in a more bullish trend in the market. It could just mean that our acceleration in the bearish direction is slowing down and we're still on that downward trend in the markets. Because of this fact, that makes the Accelerator Oscillator much more of a confirmation indicator rather than an entry indicator. You can use the Accelerator Oscillator for entries, and they would be based off of that zero line. What we would be looking for our sell position is that crossover from the zero line. The reason being is we have our Awesome Oscillator and our Awesome Oscillator moving average crossing over, creating a simple moving average crossover, just like we witnessed in the Awesome Oscillator. This one's just a little different because it's the calculation based off of the Awesome Oscillator rather than just simple moving averages as a whole. Once we start to cross on that bearish side though, and we do cross below that zero line, we're starting to gain acceleration on the bearish side of the market, so that is our sell entry. Opposite, for our buys, we have that momentum gaining and the acceleration gaining course in the bullish side of the market as we're crossing from below to above the zero line for our buy entries. Hopefully with this all in mind, you can see the benefits to having the Awesome Oscillator and the Accelerator Oscillator both used in conjunction on your charts, as long as standalone indicators in your day-to-day trading. If you like this video and want to see more strategies and indicators that we're releasing information on, feel free to click that subscribe button below and click on the bell notification to get notified when we do put these videos out. And also comment in the comment section different strategies and indicators you'd like to see discussed to be able to use in your day-to-day trading. So thank you all and happy trading.